Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick mortar. First, gather your essential tools like a sturdy trowel, a mortar hawk, and a mixing bucket. Ensure you have the correct type of mortar mix for your project, whether it's type S or type N. Prepare your work area by clearing debris and ensuring a stable, level surface. This preparation is key for a smooth and safe bricklaying process, setting the foundation for quality results. Now, let's mix your mortar. Start by adding water gradually to the dry mix in your bucket or wheelbarrow. Use a hoe or mixer to combine thoroughly. Aim for a consistent, workable texture, similar to thick peanut butter or damp sand. It should hold its shape without being too stiff or too runny. Avoid making the mix too wet or too dry, as this impacts strength and workability. With your mortar mixed, it's time to apply it. Use your trowel to spread a consistent bed of mortar, about 1/2 inch thick, onto your base or previous brick course. Next, butter the ends of the bricks evenly with a thin layer of mortar. Carefully lay each brick onto the mortar bed with a slight downward pressure, ensuring it's level and plumb. Remove any excess mortar that squeezes out. Finally, for a professional finish, tool the joints once the mortar has stiffened slightly. Use a jointing tool to create a consistent, neat appearance, compacting the mortar for better weather resistance. Promptly clean any excess mortar from the brick faces with a brush or damp sponge before it fully hardens. For those looking to build a strong financial foundation, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.